hairstylist and salon owner. Today I'm going to show you how to blow dry your hair at home, showing you some techniques with a round brush and a blow dryer, tweaks that you might be able to do at home to make your blow dryer faster, easier, smoother, and last longer. Enjoy. Pretty straightforward. I start from the bottom going up and I make sure all the hair is dry before I set it on top of the hair below it. That way you don't get any frizz on the sections you've already done. I start from the back, going forward, and then I'll come around this side, do the same thing. So I typically switch hands. On the left side, I will hold my brush with my left hand, stick it behind this section. I'm in with the blow dryer. I've attached this airflow controller to it. This alone will transform your blow dry because it's going to push the air in one stream that's very contained, and that way you can make sure you're going down the cuticle of your hair. When you don't have this on, air blows all directions, about 180 degrees all around. This way it's very much just coming out of this, and you can control where it's going on your hair. So I'm doing high airflow, medium heat. I've already got my roots dry when I pre-dried it. Now for the blow dry, I can just focus on the mid-lengths and ends. Around the face, you want to make sure you get all those baby hairs. Really make sure your ends are dry. Wrap it up. You can let it cool and then just unroll it. Now I'm starting my right side and I put the brush in my right hand. I'll be blow drying with my left hand, following the same technique. The smaller the section you take, the easier it's going to be to dry your hair, and actually it'll dry faster too. A thicker section takes a lot more time to dry versus a smaller section. You're also less likely to get tangles with small sections. I'm taking down the next section, leaving it in the back because it's wet. Now I'll start from the front going back. I'm taking the crown in two manageable sections, so they're smaller, less thick, they'll dry faster, and they won't get stuck in my brush. I like to dry the crown from the back and from the front. Now that the root's dry, I'm just going to go in, do the mid-length, in the same way that you do the rest. Subscribe to my channel, leave any questions or comments down below. I hope you can take some of this information and utilize it in your daily hair routine so that you can have a better hair day every day.